Yes?
Can I have a serviette, please?
I'm your serviette.
No, a serviette.
I'm your serviette.
No, a serviette.
I'm your serviette.
A serviette.
I'm your serviette.
No, a napkin. A
A napkin?
A napkin. Jeez. Thank you. That's
There you go, sir.
Could you get me some condiments, please? What? No, I'm asking you for some condiments.
What are you doing in your bedrooms your own, sir?
I don't believe that. This place is terrible. It's impossible. I'm going out of here.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Johnny? Don't tell me this place is haunted.